Top of the morning. It's 9:36. Signed in a little bit late. Hopped into a short back here. Got some wacky fills. Check out this last 5-minute candle. As we were coming up here, the negative delta on the ES was pretty dang high. Negative 2600. You can see it creeping in on the 1 minute here. Negative 700. Negative 800. Started getting some reversal signals. Hopped into a short thinking it would pull back to the 20. I've been busy testing out new indicators all week during the New York session, and I just haven't wanted to record it. I don't know if there's any benefit in showing a chart with a bunch of indicator signals that are not available and might never be. But the tests are going good. I've definitely gone indicator crazy at this point. I might need to stop and seek help. Just grabbed another short after this candle closed. The next candle started pushing below the 20 SMA with some pretty big delta. Got red candles. After we started pushing below the 20, popped down another 15 points there on that 1 minute candle. We're pushing even lower now. I grabbed 5 or 6 there. I haven't even checked the news this morning. I woke up a little bit late. We had CPI at 8:30. Looks like it did not do a whole lot. We've got 10 o'clock news coming up as well. Just grabbed a short here. Check out the 5-minute ES delta. You can see it on the 1 minute building up on the ES here. Then look at this 1 minute candle. Got point of control up into the top wick. To me that's bearish. After the close of this candle, I was looking for a push back to the 20. We got the push. Actually closed below the 20 and we're drifting lower now. Had some more negative delta coming in. I got 7 or 8 points. I had my take profit right above the 20 SMA in case we got a rejection off of the 20 SMA. I forgot to add in the key levels on this chart, but I just loaded up those triple session settings that I went over in yesterday's video. You can see we came right down to the Asian high and London high. Got a really nice rejection off of those levels. If you want to see how to set up these levels, check out the video from yesterday. I'm just using the key levels indicator to map out some custom ranges. I was tempted to go for the VWAP bounce trade long. It's a nice 20-point bounce right off of VWAP there. Price has just been kind of chopping around VWAP here. We came down to yesterday's high. Got a whole bunch of signals. Got point of control down into the bottom wick. After the close of this candle, we just popped up 20 points. Getting some mega signals intrabar on the 5 minute as well. Got the polarity washout signals on the chart. These pink arrows. Just had a lot of positive delta coming in on this candle. Nice close above VWAP. Getting the continued push higher here. Got into a little short here. Wasn't really trusting it. Hopped out pretty early. I think I got around 6 points maybe. Had some reversal signals building up. Had point of control up into the tippy top of this wick. Had a little bit of negative delta coming in. Went for a little scalp short there. It's just this last 5-minute candle. Pretty dang bullish there. Decent bottom wick. Full body candle to the upside. Strong positive delta coming in. I do like the idea of getting pulled back towards VWAP again sometime between now and 10:35. The 250 SMA is right near VWAP, and we've kind of been hovering back and forth around the 250 SMA coming up to 10:30. Just grabbed another small short. Got a reversal signal on the 1 minute and also the 5 minute intrabar. The signal just appeared. Had some decent negative delta on the NQ there and a tiny little indecisive candle up here. I'm noticing this delta on the ES is building up here as this 5-minute candle is about to close, so I'm going to be cautious about any more shorts. And now we're starting to pop up here. Just popped up over 10 points right after the close of this 5-minute candle. Just got into another short for 7 or 8 points. This candle turned bearish. We had negative delta on both instruments. Then the following 1 minute candle dropped off. We had a nice little 13-point drop off there. Got about 3 minutes to go until 10:30. Just got a nice rejection right off of the 15-minute center. One of my favorite key levels. Nice 10-point pop. Alright, it's 10:30. Some point I am looking for some kind of pullback towards the 250 SMA, but we might get a push up first. There's nothing that's screaming bearish right at the moment. Alright, I got into one more short, but I had hopped out pretty much right away just for a couple points. Check out this candle. Point of control way up into the top wick, but the next candle was a little wonky. Wasn't really moving in my direction quick enough. Got out on this candle. We did end up pushing a little bit lower, but it's after 10:30. Just gonna call it a day there. This is the trade summary for today. 80% profitable. Average winning trade was a lot bigger than my average losing trade. Average time in the market, about 1.5 minutes. Did pretty good yesterday as well. 86% profitable. Average winning trade was slightly bigger than my average losing trade. Average time in the market, just under 2 minutes. Wednesday, did very well. 93% profitable. My average winning trade was smaller than my average losing trade, but I only took 3 losers versus 75 winners. Largest winning trade and largest losing trade were about the same. Average time in the market, just under 2 minutes again. Seems to be my average. So usually averaging around 80%, staying in my trades less than 2 minutes. Besides the days that I go on tilt, I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. If you want to see more about how to set your charts up like this, there's a link to yesterday's video in the description. And then in yesterday's video, there's a link in the description to the prior video with even more details about all the different settings. The MMT flow stack, the key levels, these indicators are available now. There are links in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Apex or Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, TradeDay, thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I noticed as I was doing that outro, this huge candle, we rejected right before we hit this mega cluster of key levels. We got a really nice pullback with hardly any positive delta compared to all the negative delta that just came through. So I grabbed a short up here, got my full 10 points, added some more micros to the pile.